3 creative bed design ideas for a small bedroom. 1. Ceiling storage for a bed. Most are familiar with the Murphy bed, which allows users to fold it against the wall when it's not in use. While this mostly definitely saves space, having your bed on the ceiling will give you the maximum amount of square footage on your room. Though its origins are from a French manufacturer, the idea in place is essentially a pulley system for the mattress and frame. Don't be intimidated by the notion, as installation isn't nearly as complicated as it sounds, with IKEA now dipping its toes into this forum. Tip: if you decide this route is for you, use a pre-existing frame by a BedUp or a similar competitor that raises and lowers the mattress but still gives you the freedom to determine sleeping height. 2. Compact Living Style Storage Bed by Yesul Zhang. Graduate Yesul Zhang was the original mind behind the Millennial bed that is raised to waist level so items like dorm room accessories can all fit underneath, as a sort of makeshift bunk bed of practicality. Additionally, a fabric curtain can cover your belongings so that they are not in view at all times. In using such a curtain, they are cheap and quick to replace if they incur damage. Because statistically sleeping space and storage take up the most real estate in the dwelling, it is a natural blend to pair them in the same square footage. 3. A DIY hidden rollout bed. Rearranging furniture is enough to give anyone a headache, and never is this more true than shifting beds. Their cumbersome size and stature will make you tear your hair out. But fresh ideas have come to fruition on how to make hiding them more practical. One such solution is an accordion-style panel of wooden strips that are each connected by hinges on both ends. In essence, the platform folds into a drawer, with one piece of wood folding on top of another, as if you are stacking them. When the drawer is pulled out, the wooden frame of the bed pulls flat, with the hinges flush, making a level surface for the mattress. That's it! In case you want more ideas, check description area to find a related playlist that you can save and share with anyone close to you in your social media. Lastly, see you again later with more makeover ideas. Subscribe if this channel is new to you, and thanks for your time.